Hi, I'm Dan Danford with DadsDivorce.com. We're getting a lot of tax questions for this episode of Money Made Easy. This one's truly unique. What qualifies someone for head of household status? Do you have to claim a child as a dependent to qualify? What if you don't have children but are the primary wage earner in a cohabitating relationship? Okay, this is a nice try, but there are real specific rules there. Most people know on your tax return, one of the first things you do is you say what your filing status is. The most common, what most of us know, is married filing jointly. And then, of course, there are a number of others, and head of household is one of those, okay? Head of household is really designed for people who are single with children, divorced with children, widowed with children, okay? And that's not automatic even then, because in the case of the widowed, there are several steps there before you actually would be filing as head of household. But the rules on head of household are very specific, and I'm going to share some of those with you. First of all, you have to be unmarried on the last day of the year. You had to pay more than half the cost of providing a household for your children or dependents. Your home had to be the main home for the dependents for the prior year. So if they live some part of the year someplace else, it doesn't qualify. A qualifying dependent is a child under age 19 or 24 if they're in school, or a parent, sibling, or a child of one of those, including a child of your child. So you can see these are very specific. There's not gray area here. Bottom line is you and your cohabitating partner cannot be head of household, okay? You don't have dependents. It isn't allowable. So as much as you'd like to take that kind of filing status, it simply does not apply in your circumstance. For further information on this, you can actually go to the IRS website or a number of other sources, because like I say, the rules are very specific. You can look down them yourself. As a matter of fact, the rules for any filing status are very specific. You can look at them yourself to see where you qualify. But got to tell you this time, that ain't gonna work. That's it for another episode of Money Made Easy for DadsDivorce.com.